Assalamu alaikum class. The topic we are going to discuss is evaluate. Evaluate means we have to find out the value of some mathematical expression. For example, when we say that what is 1 plus 2 and we say that answer is 3, it means we are evaluating the expression 1 plus 2 and the answer is 3. So evaluate means we are going to find out a numerical value of the given mathematical expression. Now what is meant by mathematical expression? So whenever we are having some numbers related with some operation, it could be addition, multiplication, division, any operation, so such expressions are named as mathematical expressions. So how to evaluate? We have some method to evaluate the mathematical expressions. We have an order of operations. Obviously we may have more than one operation in one expression, as we know that the four basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and if we are having all of these in one expression, we should follow some pattern to or some order to evaluate the expression. So here is the most famous rule, Demas rule, that we are going to divide first, then multiply, then add, and then subtraction at the end. And if you have some powers, solve the powers at first, and if you are having some brackets in the expression, solve the brackets first, and then we are going to follow the Demas rule as well. So if we are having 2 plus 5 into 3, so we are going to multiply first and then add. So 5 into 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So the numeric value or the evaluation of the expression provides us with 17. Here we have an exercise from on page number 3. I'm going to solve some questions and other questions are going to be solved by you. And if you have any problem, you may ask me. So exercise on page number 3, we have question number 1 over here, that we have to evaluate the expression 3 plus bracket 6 plus 3 into 6 bracket close divided by 2. So we are going to solve the bracket first. That is, now in the bracket we are having two operations, addition and multiplication. So we will multiply first and then we will add. So 6 into 3 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24. Once we are done with the brackets, now we are again follow the Demas rule, as we are having addition and division. So we will divide first, which is 12, and then 12 plus 3 is going to be 15. So we have question number 3, 16 divided by 4 into 2. So by Demas rule, we are going to divide first and then we will multiply. So 16 divided by 4 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So the answer is 8 over here. Next, we have positive and negative numbers. We have discussed about the real line, that we have 0 at the center and positive numbers on the right hand side and negative numbers on the left hand side. And you can see that the positive numbers are the numbers that are greater than 0, and the negative numbers are the numbers that are less than 0. 0 itself is a neutral number. It is neither a positive number nor a negative number. So any number which is greater than 0 or on the right hand side of the real of the 0 on the real line are positive numbers, and the numbers that are less than 0 are named as negative numbers. Next, we have graph of a number. We normally draw the graph of functions, graph of some equation, but now we are going to discuss the graph of a number. This is quite simple and easy. We just need to plot that number or mention that number on the real line. So if we are having a point A with coordinate 1, it means we are going to plot the graph of this number, which is number 1. So we just point out A on the number line and represent it with the number numeric or the alphabet A. If we have a point B with coordinate minus 0.5, so we are just going to plot minus 0.5 on the number line and we will write it as the point B. Next, we have comparing and ordering of numbers. So for comparing and ordering of numbers, as we have discussed, that we have three basic relations between any two numbers, that it could be less, equal or greater, and on the basis of these relations we can easily arrange the numbers in increasing order or even in decreasing order. For example, 5 is equal to 5, 5 is less than 10, and 5 is greater than 2. So this is how we can relate any two numbers by the relation less, equal or greater. So if we have numbers minus 4, 5, 3, minus 2 and 0, we can arrange the numbers in increasing order as well as in decreasing order. So increasing order means the numbers are increasing. So obviously we are going to start with the minimum number or the smallest number, and then we are going to increase the numbers one by one. So the smallest number in this data is going to be minus 4. So minus 4 is the smallest number, so we will write minus 4 at first, then we have minus 2, then 0, then 3 and then 5. So this is how we can arrange the numbers in increasing order. And for decreasing order, we will start from the maximum number and then we will reduce the number. So 5, 3, 0, minus 2 and minus 4 is the decreasing order for the given set of data points. Thank you.